guys, welcome back to another
Sybliss Family video.
We're back with another video today. We are going to be, what are we doing?
Cleaning up.
Yeah, so we're cleaning up this table right here because she just got through eating dinner, and I'm gonna wash these dishes over here. So we're gonna take you excuse me, we're gonna take you and we're gonna show you our nighttime routine. She does have a part that she has to do every night, right?
Sweep.
She gotta sweep, and I'm gonna mop. She gonna sweep and I'm gonna mop. So this is the stuff that she needs to clear off the table. So, huh?
Not your, I think it's
Well, I can clear this off the table right now. But yeah, she's gonna go ahead and clean off the table. And that's for, you know, what a mess at. You make a mess tonight? Lies.com. So she's gonna go ahead and clean off the table. Whatever. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to clean up. Don't mind that over there, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean up. Y'all, this is all the dishes I got today, but you know what, that is okay because y'all gonna be with me every step of the way while I wash the dishes.
Are you gonna show me clean?
Yes, I'm gonna show you cleaning. She excited about that. I think I'm gonna set the stand over here so they can see you and me. So yep, stuff needs to be put away. Oil needs to be dumped out. This actually needs to be cleaned. Food needs to be put away. Y'all, look at my fall. Oh Jesus, look at my fall. They're so cute. This microwave needs to be cleaned out. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's start cleaning.
Your kids want to learn how to clean up. You just go see me clean how to do it. I'm gonna put out the shit so it can be easier, so you don't get that.
Okay.
Ready?
Are we ready? And what you had to do to the rag first?
Oh, I already read it.
Okay.
These are fake flowers.
They are fake flowers. And you don't want to move them off the table and then put it back on?
Like, put these out?
No, let's move the stuff off the table.
Okay.
And then you put it back on.
So this is our cute.
Alright, go ahead. And I'll get them. Okay guys, so what you just saw, Nevaeh wipe down the table. We sprayed the method cleaner on the table. And yes, I do have plastic on here because the table is wood and I'm trying to protect it. She's going to sweep the floor right now. I'm going to put our decorations back on the table as well. Her job every night, right?
Yes.
It's not a made-up job. This is her job every single night. And yeah, teaching her responsibility. I changed my little thing over here, but I mean, it's still cute. It's simple. Yep. And what's our motto? You don't do it right the first time, you gotta do it what?
Okay.
So yeah. So while Nevaeh is still sweeping, you can also see her sweeping in the kitchen. I am washing the dishes. So I have a method of mine. You see what I'm washing? I have all like the dirty dishes on one side of the sink, and I put the clean ones on the other side of the sink. I do not use the second part of the sink at all because you see we have two, only because that's a garbage disposal. I don't know, I just think it's nasty or yucky. Maybe I get out of it one day, but that's what I do. I'm just showing you guys where I put the dishes at because we do not have a dish drainer So I just put the dishes inside of the dishwasher to be dry, and in the morning it is Nevaeh's responsibility to take it out and put them away. If anybody is like me, I love doing the dishes. I love anything to do with water because y'all, I'm always playing in the water. And Nevaeh, she's asking me, can she help me? So that's what she's doing. Anytime like she's done doing her chore, she always asks me if I need her to help me with anything, and that's what I really like. I just let her know that her responsibility in the house to help us contribute to the house, since she does not pay bills, is her chores. That you have to help us clean up. That is her go-to thing. And kids sometimes they will give you, a little attitude because they don't want to do it that particular day, but it's a routine for her. This is every single night since she was in, before she even went to school. Let's just say that before she could barely hold the broom the right way. So, yes, this is every single night. She has to help out in some sort of way. If it's too late, the only thing she has to do is just do the dining room, and then she goes upstairs. So, guys, do you see this burnt pan? Oh my God. I burnt it because I was cooking the corn tortillas because it was Taco Tuesday. And y'all, I was gonna throw the pan away. And I was like, no, don't do that. Just go ahead and get the Brillo pads and let's see if it works. And baby, y'all are finna see in a minute if it worked. Let's give it a few seconds because I was so happy. I didn't have to throw my pan away because it did work. I just snapped my fingers, so that's what you heard. But it did work in the back, in the front. It did work, guys. Save your coins, save your pots. Go get those Brillo pads. I like the SOS. I think they're called SOS pots. I like those. I like those too. And when I'm done using Brillo, every time I'm done using the Brillo, I wash with dish detergent just to get that degreaser off. So yes, clean. Now it speaks for itself. I use the method cleaner to clean off the stove. This is a every night thing for me as well. I'm cleaning another pot because it had oil in it. And I had fried chicken and I made homemade french fries like 2 or 3 nights ago. And I just don't know where to store our oil here. I need to call and I need to find out. So that's what you see me doing there, cleaning that pot. Like I told you guys, I love being in the water, washing the dishes, playing with the soap. It's they gonna get clean. I had to get every single corner in the microwave. Y'all, I need to learn these angles, how to position this camera to help me clean up. I really honestly do. So, yeah, just continue to watch me finish cleaning and wiping down the countertops. And again, I don't know if I'm going to show y'all again, but again, I'm going to be in the water again because that's what I love to do. Y'all see in the background, we was watching Hip Hop Squares, but I had to mute my volume so they wouldn't probably copyright me. But yeah, we are like a comedy house sometimes. We like to laugh. And again, I'm in that water, y'all. I know the water police don't get me. Please don't. Don't come for me. But yes, I love playing. I love playing in the water. Like, I don't know. It's just a good feeling for me. Like, my whole cleaning, I'm in the water. I'm like playing in the water, playing with the soap. So now we finna sweep. We're sweeping. And I had to re-sweep because Nevaeh have swept the kitchen floor. And so instead of me telling her to do it again, I just went ahead and I got it out of the way myself. And you're going to see me mop. Guys, I really hate this mop. I cannot wait until I go to Walmart to go buy me a new mop. Like, I really do not like this mop at all. I prefer to twist the stuff myself. This mop, yeah, I don't like it. And I don't like it for the wood flooring neither, because you have to twist it really, really tight, or it's going to leave like water streaks on the floor. So I had to learn. Oh, and I'm also mopping with the Method cleaner as well. So we use the Method cleaner to clean up everything today. So guys, as you can see, I don't want to stuff on my floor, but the kitchen is now clean. Ooh, I didn't mean to burp. I cleaned this, but my camera had turned off. I didn't even know. I cleaned the trash can. My camera turned off. I didn't even know. All the floors are marked and swept, and the dining room mopped and swept, and yeah. I think I did a pretty good job with me in the bed. Oh, excuse me. And like I said, every day, this is our routine. So, it's clean. All right, guys, so now it's time for us to close off. And thank you for tuning in to another Sybliss Family Vlogs. Again, my name is Visha, and this is... And she's finally in a cleanup video. Your kids can clean up too. I'm just saying. Make them clean up. It is a what?
Chore.
It's a chore, and a chore is a responsibility. So, what? Girl. So, thank you guys for tuning in. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and
subscribe for our video. If you're shy and want to clean up with you, you should. The kids, you should help them.
Who kids should help?
Any kids that watch our video.
They kids should help them clean up their house.
Books, rooms.
Yeah, because she cleaned up her own room. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. This is a nighttime routine that we do. She cleans up the dining room. This is her area. She does her area, and I clean up the kitchen. And so thank you guys for tuning in to another Sybliss Family Vlogs. Bye.